Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Kamar, 2KR Speed, my channel. So in this video it's going to be a little bit different. Yeah, I'm taking you into the 2KR family kitchen where I'll be showing my fiance how to prepare what is known as saltfish fritter. You get me? Yeah, so let the process begin. I have a piece of saltfish, right? Well, as you all know, by the name suggests, it's very salty. So what I'm gonna do first thing, I'm gonna make sure I washed it a little bit, then I boil it. So I need to add some warm water to it. Washed it, you know. It's already clean. Normally they will come in with a lot of skin on it, but this one doesn't really have much skin. So it's good to go. Drain this excess water. And then I'm going to put it into a pot where I'm going to get it boiled. So right now I'm currently using hot water from the faucet. Alright. I want to bring it over to the pot. Okay. Put the water in. And then cover it and let it boil. Boil for a couple minutes. Alright. Then as soon as that boil, I get back to it. We'll be dicing up the tomato. Tomato. Alright. You want to ensure it's cut smaller than that. You can see I'm teaching even my son. Look, son. Hey, you're in the kitchen. You need to know what to do with it. Turn your face around, man. Dude. Okay. Alright? Mommy is preparing breakfast, okay? Alright, so that's finished. So she's gonna put a little bit of pepper to do that at the top. That's too much pepper though. You're gonna ensure that you don't use the seed, just a little bit from it. Okay, that's good enough. Don't use no more. Don't use it no more. Now she's moving on to the flour. We have all-purpose flour, alright, which is my favorite. She pour it into the bowl. More. That's good enough. Alright, and she's gonna add all those that she just diced up into the flour. Let's see.
Do half.
Yeah, do half. Yeah. Yeah. Good. That's good. Okay. Alright, so you need to put some salt, a little bit of salt, even though we're using the saltfish, but you need to add some salt. See, we're gonna measure it. Let's see. More. That's it. We're gonna use saltfish. Okay. Now I think the saltfish is boiled, so now we're gonna wash it. We're gonna take it off, put it in some cold water, and make sure it's cold, just in case you don't burn yourself. And drain it. Put more cold water. Drain off. One more time. She's gonna do now, she's gonna chop up the saltfish or dice up the saltfish in small pieces before adding it to the flour.
Okay.
Dice it up some more. Let it finer. Yeah. pour it into the flour. Okay. Okay. Cold water from the faucet. Alright, about 8.5 ounces. Okay, that's probably good enough. You're gonna take your time and pour and mix with the fork. When you use a fork, it blends a little bit better. Pour more, pour more. That's good. Mix, try mix. Mix in circle.
Mix it all together.
Yeah. More water. Mix. Clockwise. Yeah. More water. Pour more. Clockwise. Mix. Pour more water. Okay, mix now. Clockwise. Yeah.
Good?
Now that she's finished mixed, it's all blend and stuff, looking really nice. Yeah, so the oil is on the pot. I'm gonna let the oil a bit warm or hot before she put it in. Alright.
Not yet.
Okay. Gonna put it in the pot now. Okay, that's good. More to that. Yeah. Put at least 4 and maintain the same space. Nice. Good. Okay, buddy, come in.
Alright guys, we finished. Here's the finished product. They're crispy. They look so good. What do you think?
I mean, this looks really good. I mean, she's